Hello, welcome to Life is Fantastic 101 tutorial videos. Today we're going to talk about the business side a little bit. You can use them as personal, but more along the business side of what Life is Fantastic could offer you for you and your business. We're going to go ahead and log into support. Once logged in, default brings you to your user profile. So whether you have a business profile or you have a personal profile, either way, this little button here, the hover tips will give you tips to go throughout the site. We're going to log into the mainstream where you can find the majority of features here on Life is Fantastic. Today we're going to just concentrate on the conference rooms. This is a subsidiary of live chat. I have in one of the other tutorial videos expressed live chat and how you can connect to your Facebook friends and your Google Plus friends here in a live chat. For the purpose of today, we're going to go ahead and open up the conference rooms. Our conference rooms are pretty robust. They have a lot of features in them that we're hoping to cater to businesses and small businesses alike. In here you can either join one of the core rooms that we have here that are pretty much set up for personal, unless you want to just go into the LIF, which is Life is Fantastic lobby. You can enter any of these rooms and begin live chat, invite users, do whatever you need to do in here. Or if you are a business and let's say you wanted to create your own room, and we're just going to go ahead and create the LIF support room here. I have a choice to make it either public, or I can password protect the room if I'm going to send out like an email or a memo allowing specific users that I want to be able to join me in this conference, and just let them know that they are give them their password, and then that way they can join at their leisure, as opposed to invite. If I want to invite people into the room, but it's by invitation only, which means that these people will have to be invited once you establish the room. So for the purpose today, I'm going to show you the password protect. We'll just do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the password, and I create my room. So here I am, I'm now in my room. A couple of neat things that we can do here that will keep you busy at Life is Fantastic. As you can see here, this is the LIF support conference room. I use the pop-out menu here, and that's going to allow me to pop out and still be in my room. So I can go ahead and open up the LIF support room here. This allows me to continue to work. So if I wanted to come back here, close up this, I still have my pop out that I can still shrink down and do whatever it is that I want to do while I'm surfing the web, doing whatever. If you've got another monitor, you can move it off the screen or move it back on the screen. Throughout the room, you can wait for the other people that now you've given the password to get into this room, or you have the option that you can invite users. So as long as they're on your friends list in Life is Fantastic, you can invite them by simply collecting here their checkboxes and so forth. If this is what you want to do, I can go ahead and invite super users. It'll tell you who's online and who's off, but when they do come online, they will show that they have an invitation. So I can go ahead and send that invite, and just go ahead and that window will close. So now the LIF admin is waiting to come into the room, but this is for the purpose of just testing only, so nobody's going to come in here. In this room, I wanted to show you, you can start an audio and video call using this tab here, and what that'll do is it'll send out an audio and video invitation to everybody that's in the room to allow. You can either allow audio only, or you can do audio and video. You'll have the options to mute that, either audio or video or both, and you can also chat in real time while still on the audio and video call with either everybody in the room, or individually you can pick a user and click on a user and chat privately with that individual alone. So it's a pretty neat figure there. Also here when you're chatting, and I'll just put in test, you can also color code a text. So if you want to have any one person be a different color, you can just click on that or whatever and color code each individual user to kind of help you, give you a little bit more uniqueness to who it is that you're in here chatting with. But moving along here, this is share a collaborative document. This here, when you share a document, it is in real time. This is one of our robust features. I'm going to go ahead and share this just to give you an idea of what this is about. In this, you can go ahead and build a document as you go, and everything that I type will be in green. All the other user has to do is click on this link right here to view the document, and it's going to come up, and you can see here it's already started testing. Inside here, these are the users that are in here. It's only one is support. You can timestamp everything. Gives you the date and everything that you have up on here. And it also, if you see here, it gives you a slider. So you can actually restart the meeting at any point in time and play it. If you see when I pull this back, you see how test goes away? So if somebody come in late to the meeting, they would just begin the meeting on a time slider and then play it from the beginning. As you saw, it went back pretty quickly in the word test. So the document would actually unfold to the individual right there. And then you can just return to the pad, and you're now live back with the document again. There's several options that you have in dealing with this robust feature. You can import it, export it, you can browse, you can pick up other files, whether they be HTML, Word documents, PDFs, or whatever. Or once you're done with your collaborative document, you can actually export. The current pad is either HTML, plain text, Microsoft Word, PDF, Open Documents, Wordle, however you see fit. So these are some kind of cool features there. Here's if you want to share a link with somebody, you can either embed it or you can actually share the link directly to this document. You can make it read-only for password protection. So there's a lot of really neat, robust features in this as well. But this is a full-scale editing table for your collaborative documents. Once closed, you go back out and you're moving forward. You can share your screen if somebody needs help. Or if somebody that you are in an audio and video conference with is doing screen sharing, they can share their screen for moderation purposes with several other guests if you're having a small meeting or a large meeting. At any time during the meeting, if you need to send somebody a file, you can go ahead and click send a file. This will put the file into the conference room for anybody that is needing any logos or artwork or extended documentation or something that you may or may not be working in throughout your conference. There's whiteboarding. There's translation. Now, if you have somebody that is in a foreign country or speaks a foreign language and you want to write in your own language, you would just click this here and you would write in, say, Spanish. But if somebody on the other end is in English, it would come out on their side in English. So this is a very versatile aspect that allows individuals from foreign countries or places that are joining you in your conference to be able to type in their language. Of course, we have the little smiley faces that you can add smiley faces to whatever you're doing in the text. You can also handwrite messages, or if you have to sign something digitally, you can sign a document here using the handwrite. Timestamp everything, puts a time and stamp on what it is that you are, so when the meeting unfolds you can see who is saying what at what time. The broom is to sweep clear the conversation, and as I already expressed earlier, the color coding of the text is to give a differentiation to the uniqueness of who you're chatting with to help you with that. This has been LIF conference room chatting. So I hope this helps everybody out. If there are any questions, you can always email or contact support, and we'll be glad to help you out.